Hey everyone, this is Mark Alter, Medical Director for On-Demand Services at Array. Hope everyone's having a nice summer, and just want to take a few minutes to go over our vacation policy and encourage everyone to reach out to make vacation plans, but to make sure you do with enough notice so that we can find coverage. Um, It's always important to remember we are 24/7, 365, and summers and holidays are always a popular time to take off. We want to make sure that people's requests for vacation are met whenever possible, but we also want everyone to realize that we can't have everyone take off at the same time. So please make sure to get your requests in as far in advance as possible. 90 days at least, and if at all possible, be flexible on the timing so that if we have other doctors that are also requesting at the same time, we can work something out. Please do not make reservations for planes or trips or without first checking with Julia to make sure that you can get off at the time requested. Again, we will always try and meet your request, but popular times that's not always possible. We also, if you don't get your request for a particular holiday or vacation time one year, we will make sure to keep track of that and, if at all possible, have you have that time off in a subsequent year. Don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. I hope this all makes sense. And again, enjoy your summer, and I hope you all can schedule and have some very nice vacation time after this very difficult year. Okay, goodbye.